In today's hyper-connected digital age, keeping systems running smoothly requires more than traditional monitoring. It demands intelligent observability. Welcome. I'm Chase with Aspect IQ. I'll be your guide as we explore the powerful combination of OpenTelemetry and AIOps. First, let's quickly recap OpenTelemetry, or OTel. OTel is a unified open-source framework used to collect, process, and export telemetry data from your systems, giving complete visibility into their performance and behavior. Now let's talk about AIOps. It stands for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations, leveraging advanced machine learning, big data analytics, and automation to enhance traditional IT operations. When OTel and AIOps join forces, you harness real-time telemetry data for intelligent analytics, proactive monitoring, and automated response capabilities. This fusion dramatically elevates your observability and IT effectiveness. Traditionally, IT teams faced hours of manual troubleshooting. With OTel and AIOps, problems are automatically identified, analyzed, and resolved, accelerating detection and response times and reducing costly downtime. However, many organizations find it challenging to implement these advanced solutions due to technical complexity, data overload, and integration hurdles. The steep learning curve can overwhelm even seasoned teams. Aspect IQ solves these challenges by simplifying OpenTelemetry integration and optimizing AIOps deployment. We make it easy with clear dashboards, automated insights, and continuous support, ensuring your observability strategy is simple yet powerful. Our clients have witnessed impressive results, drastically reduced downtime, significantly enhanced efficiency, and notable cost savings. By trusting Aspect IQ's approach, they're not just solving issues faster, they're predicting and preventing them. With Aspect IQ's OTel and AIOps solutions, your enterprise is well prepared for the future. Adapt to new technologies, scale effortlessly, and remain ahead of industry trends. Ready to transform your IT operations? Visit AspectIQOps.com for your free consultation. Subscribe to our channel for future insights and tell us in the comments what observability topics you'd love to see next. Thanks for watching.